Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel formed in a swamp ecosystem. Coal is formed from the remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth millions of years ago. These dead plants and animals got converted into fossil fuels by the heat and pressure of the sediments under which they were buried. Due to the lack of oxygen underwater, the decayed material turned into a layer of peat. As the peat was buried deeper, the high pressure and temperature gradually turned it into lignite, and further into bituminous, and then into anthracite. Distribution of coal in the world. China, USA, Russia, Ukraine, and India are some of the major producers of coal in the world. USA is the largest producer of coal in the world. Distribution of coal in India. Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are the major producers of coal in India.